All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make PB&J. A lot of you don't know how to make PB&J. First, you need your ingredients. Bread, essential. You need 2 slices of bread. Second, you need a plate. A plate is essential, but it can also be substituted with paper towels, things like that. Third, you need your ingredients. Jelly is what I prefer. I prefer to use jelly. You can substitute this with jam. I personally use strawberry. There are other flavors like grape, raspberry, black raspberry, and turtle jam. Peanut butter. You need peanut butter. I personally use creamy peanut butter. Hashtag not an ad for Kroger. This was just a very, very cheap option. You can also use crunchy peanut butter. You can also use Nutella if you really like Nutella or any of that hazelnut spread stuff. Personally, this is just the cheapest option because I am a broke college kid. Please sponsor the channel. I need money. Help. Get your knife. All right, get your knife. You need to spread the jelly jam. Spread the jelly jam. I need to even this a little bit, but an even amount is good. An even amount of jelly is good. Get your peanut butter, Nutella, whatever, and start scooping out some peanut butter. Then you need to slap it on. So slap that puppy on and just spread. Also, make sure you have paper towels on hand if you're like me and you just get peanut butter or jelly all over your hands. I don't know. You do what you want with your life. You need to make sure that you have both pieces of bread. Once you have both pieces of bread, you can slap them together. Once you get to this final step, you just take a big heckin' chunk out of it. You just go, and you enjoy your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. You can follow me at twitch.tv/Atrocious Gameplay. That was a really big bite. I need a paper towel.